So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a part of me during my spring break organizing basically every area that I have an issue with in my house. Today I'm not going to be working on the items that are hanging up, but I am going to be working on this mess. So I'm going to go through, basically take away everything that I don't want, don't need, and then kind of just like change it up, because I think that's always a good thing to do with every area in your house. Just your feng shui is just kind of refreshes the way you feel in your own home. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. We're just getting stuff done. I've already tackled my garage today, an area in it at least, so that's a step. So I hope this gives you some inspiration to go through your closet. I just love the way this makes me feel when I walk into my closet. If I look at an organized, clean closet at the beginning of the day, I just have a better day. Let's just jump right into organizing and folding, categorizing all my clothes over here. It's gonna be real fun.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't.
Okay, so this is take 2, day 2 of cleaning out my closet, organizing this area. Because last night I just tried to tackle this way too much later in the night, and I was trying to do it on my computer, and the angle on my computer is just like very difficult. So I need to do it on my phone with the tripod. It's already a hard condensed space to film in, let alone on a computer. I felt like you could just like see my hands folding socks. So I found most of those pairs, but today we're gonna finish this. Okay, so yesterday I went through, and from cleaning the garage I found that I had this in there, so I wasn't using it. Basically, I wear mostly short socks, but like if my feet are cold or I'm wearing like boots, I'll wear long socks. So basically it was like annoying to find short socks. I was getting like irritated trying to find them in here. So I didn't have them separated before because just room wise, so I'm gonna try and get rid of some things.
And I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
used to. Get high on life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset, run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you. I can't believe it's true. Before you, my life was gray and blue. Run away to the sunset, run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew has changed both me and you.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.